This very dark shade of blue looks pretty nice with my jacket here. It's nearly the same color, slightly different. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, tablets, cases, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. This is Apple's very own Midnight Ocean band for none other than my beautiful Apple Watch Ultra right here. So without further ado, let's start to getting this band out of the box. Here we go. So here we are up close and personal with the box. As you can see, it's got a picture of the Midnight Ocean band, and otherwise it's just a very simple box. So we can go ahead and peel the easy peel tab off, and then we can pop it nice and open. We've got instructions for installing the band, and we've got the actual band itself. Now let's put the box to the side. Then here we've got some paperwork, and we've also got the band itself. First, we can pop out this little link right here for the band. We can pop out this smaller piece, and then we can pop out this very long piece. And then let's go ahead and take my Apple Watch Ultra off right here, and we can also pop the band out. And then I can go ahead and pop the top of this band right into the watch, and I can pop the bottom in as well right here. And then it is nearly ready to rock and roll. Let's go ahead and put it on my wrist here, and then I'll show you what you got to do next. So we can put this on, and usually I put the Ocean bands right here with 4 holes to the right of it, because I do have another Ocean band in the white color. That's the one that came with my Apple Watch. And then we go ahead and we actually pop this piece open right here, and we use it, believe it or not, as a way to keep this band flush with your wrist. So let's pick which hole to put this in, and then clip that into place, and now this mean looking Midnight Ocean band is all on my wrist here. And as you can see, this very dark shade of blue looks pretty nice with my jacket here. It's nearly the same color, slightly different, but I still think it looks very good. Another thing here, folks, you'll notice about this band is there are several holes in it all along the side, because this band is meant for wearing in the ocean, the water, maybe even scuba diving. So there are plenty of different passageways for all that water to rush through when you're actually in it. But now, folks, since I've been using the white version of this Ocean band for a while, I will say this Ocean band is definitely a really nice watch band. I like wearing it all the time, especially when I exercise with my Apple Watch, because, you know, obviously this band is designed to be very, very water resistant. Water just literally slides right off of it. It doesn't actually get wet in the sense that you can easily wipe it down, because unlike a fabric band, this band doesn't actually absorb the water, which I think is definitely very nice. But yeah, anyway, folks, with that, there's not much more to say about this Midnight Ocean band from Apple right here. If you folks want it for yourselves, it will set you back about $100. So it's not exactly cheap, but that is the standard price for all of Apple's Apple Watch Ultra specific watch bands. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this band though. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.